Well, when the lights hang low and I lay down and close my eyes, I see colors and spinning wheels. I hear a language I don't understand. I see people I've not seen for years. I hold the magic in my hands. I sing songs that I never write, 'cause they're gone by the morning light. Yes, and I dream away, and I'm as free as a summer sky. I swim in oceans, turquoise and deep. I lay down in fields of gold. I see mountains snow white and steep, though I never feel the cold. I can't stay there, try as I might, 'cause it's gone by the morning light. So if you find that I'm sleeping, soft and warm as a child, would you just let me be for a moment, happy and free? Oh, won't you please let me dream a while? Yeah, when the night draws in and I lay down to rest my head, I find boxes of photographs and old movies I saw long ago. I can still hear my sister laugh on the beaches of Mexico, where the phosphorescence shines neath the moon and 1,000 stars that glow, but they always fade out so soon, to a place where I just can't go. Though I hold on to them so tight, they are gone by the morning light. So if you find that I'm sleeping, soft and warm as a child, won't you just let me be for a moment, happy and free? Oh, won't you please let me dream a while? Oh, won't you please let me dream a while?